Hey there, guys. So today I'm really excited to launch APM IO. APM IO is a platform for aspiring product managers and professionals who are looking to break into product management. The reason why I created APM IO is to actually help myself kind of break into these product manager roles, which are highly competitive. And I usually accumulated a lot of different resources, spent hours researching what top frameworks everyone should know in order to kind of break these product interviews. And I thought, hey, since I got a product job, I think it's best to help other students and other people kind of save time and help them kind of make the process as efficient as possible. And there you go, we have APM IO. So APM IO has the following features. It is a platform for product managers and it has courses, usually which are recommended by other product managers who broke into product, and also top rated courses. They have cheat sheets, meaning they have cheat sheets for interviews, cheat sheets for building a product, or even launching and road mapping a product. Then we have learning resources, which usually are in the form of articles, blog posts, etc. Then we have a community of different product fellows, different product aspiring professionals, as well as students who are looking to break into product. So there'll be resources to share, as well as information to transfer even further knowledge. And like you mentioned, there are also book recommendations. So there are a few popular books that are must read for product managers, and these books are going to be recommended within APM IO. Then we have the product manager portal, which all accumulates all of these different resources. Right now, I created an MVP for the product and I launched on Product Hunt, and here it is. So I have a few lists of must-read articles, and I'm going to be launching the full version very soon. The coming weeks, I'm working on it right now. And be sure to kind of register for exclusive access to APMIO by this link. The link is in the description below as well. And if you do, I'll be sending in a good cheat sheet of resources, mostly which I kind of accumulated for product management. These are about 50 frameworks which I use to kind of make product decisions and kind of vet product opportunities. So there are like 50, I think there are a total of at least 50 different frameworks within this kind of resource, but I'll share this in the link as well for those who sign up. Thanks, and looking forward to seeing you there.